How to log in to your Zodiac Casino account. Welcome back everyone to this new video of how to guide. If you're also trying to play casino games online on Zodiac Casino, then in this video let me show you the quick process of logging in. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's jump right into the video. Search for zodiac.casino on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to the home page of Zodiac Casino. Now, in order to log into your account, click on Login on the top and again click on Login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the different section of Zodiac Casino, which is the Game Assist. From here, it's going to show you the registration page. If you have not registered or signed up for Zodiac Casino, you can type in these details and click on Next and sign up for it. If you already have an account, click on Login here and again click on Login on the top right. Once you do, now it's going to give you a login form. Now in the first box, you need to type in the username that you created while you sign up for Zodiac Casino. And also in the second box, type in the password. If you want to reveal this password, click on this eye icon. If you have forgotten the password of your account, you can click on the Can't Access Your Account option and follow the steps to recover your password. If you want to stay signed in, the next time you open up this website, you can check this box. Once you type in both of your credentials, click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Zodiac Casino account. So if this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.